aware of our learning program techniques, as the learning program techniques are very correlated with our room arrangements. For example, if we will use the experiential workshop, we will have to state a specific room arrangement which will benefit the specific learning program technique. Let's go and have a look on the room arrangements. We have the theater tutorial style, and this is uploaded to your Google Classroom. We have the classroom style, the U-shape arrangement, the boardroom style, cluster style, circle or open space, workshop, and here we have diagram of the specific room arrangements. For example, when we will use a case study, it's best to go with the workshop hands-on station, because by that we will enable participants to be closer together, to be able to discuss and to collaborate. The same goes with open space, and what we usually use is the U-shape arrangement. Now, for most of your learning program, you will use the U-shape arrangement, but you have to go through your teaching techniques and check out if there is something that is more appropriate. For example, when it comes to the snowball technique, you will have to begin at a U-shape where participants will collaborate individually, moving on to a more collaborating with more collaborating room arrangement, as they will end up working in groups. Let's see an example at the room arrangements. Here we are stating that we will use a combination. Okay, it's very crucial to state that we will use a combination and to state which are your room arrangements. Now, we will state that we will use the U-shape. Why we will use this? So we will have an explanation of the room arrangement. We will say why it's beneficial and that it will be used in the majority of the modules. Then we will state another room arrangement which will be for the group work activities, collaborative group layouts, etc. We will state a brief explanation of the nature of the techniques, and we will say that this layout will be used in 2 and 3. There is a reason why, because in those two modules we have included specific teaching techniques that will be benefited. So I will scroll up and be sure that we have in our modules, you see we have group work in module 3. Then we say case study in module 2. Again, snowball technique in module 2. So we will see where we will have collaborative activities, and then we will stay in which modules we will be using the specific room arrangements. Now, for the specific example, we have included another one, which is the experiential workshop technique, which is the open circle layout. Again, we will have to state why. If you're gonna see from the diagram here, we have the open space, the open style room arrangement. This is very beneficial for experiential workshops. So we will state why this is ideal, what atmosphere it creates, and how it will benefit our learning program. And we're stating in the same arrangement if we're gonna use it somewhere else. For example, for the specific example, I have chose role-playing training technique to be used for this specific room arrangement.